Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili threads, only way. Start by soaking 50 g dried chili strands in warm water for 10 minutes, then drain and pat dry. Heat a neutral oil until shimmering, flash fry the strands in small batches until crisp, then drain on paper towel. Toss with a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of sesame oil for aroma. Use immediately for best texture and flavor. Soak the chili strands in warm water for about 10 minutes until flexible, then spread them out and pat dry thoroughly. Preparing small batches helps the oil stay hot and crisps the threads evenly without burning. Keep a slotted spoon and paper towel handy for quick draining. Work quickly during frying and season right after draining so the salt adheres while the threads are still warm and slightly oily. Hey friends, if this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful cooking tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and inspiration anywhere, even standing at the stove. Its adjustable light keeps pages clear without glare. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Heat a neutral oil to a shimmering point and fry the prepared chili strands in small batches for about 10 to 20 seconds each, until they become crisp but not browned. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towel to absorb excess oil. While still warm, sprinkle with a pinch of salt and drizzle a teaspoon of sesame oil to enhance aroma. Store unused threads in an airtight container to preserve crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.